Welcome to Max class. In this class, we learn about framing algebraic statements. To express a given statement in the form of an algebraic equation is called framing of formula. For example, m plus 5, 2x minus 4, 5 cube and 3y divided by 8. Consider that there are n number of apples in a basket. If 5 more apples are added, what will be the total number of apples in the basket now? The total number of apples can be easily framed into an algebraic statement as n plus 5. This algebraic statement n plus 5 tells that whatever be the number of apples we had earlier, there are 5 more apples now in the basket. So total number of apples in terms of algebraic statement equal to n plus 5. In another case, there are unknown number of people in the bus is x. If 2 more people get into the bus, now we say that total number of people in terms of algebraic statement is equal to x plus 2. Example 3. There is a patty of butter which weighs w grams. If we cut off 100 grams from it, we will have w minus 100 grams left. So, remaining amount of butter expressed in terms of algebraic statement is equal to w minus 100 gram. If we start with the number y and then double it, we can write it as 2y or 2 into y. Here the algebraic statement is equal to 2y or 2 into y. Now converting algebraic statements to verbal statements. Algebraic statement m plus 14. The equivalent verbal statement is 14 more than m. The algebraic statement is x minus 6. The verbal statement is x is reduced by 6. 3y or 3 into y is equal to product of 3 and y or 3 times of y. 5 is divided by z is equal to 5 is divided by z. 2p minus 5 equal to 5 less 2 times p. 5 less 2 times p. Now we do to convert algebraic statement to verbal statements. The given algebraic statement is a plus 5. The verbal statement is 5 more than a. 6z minus 1 is the given algebraic statement. The verbal statement is 1 less than 6 times z. 12y is an algebraic statement. 12 times of y is the verbal statement. X is divided by 6. The verbal statement is x divided by 6. Now converting verbal statements to algebraic statements. Few examples are given in this table. 7 times of n minus 5. The algebraic statement is 7n minus 5. The verbal statement is the sum of x and 4. The algebraic statement is x plus 4. 3 times y is divided by 8 is the given verbal statement. The algebraic statement is 3y is divided by 8. 11 is multiplied by m. The algebraic statement is 11 into m, or product of 11 and m. Now we do some verbal statements to algebraic statements. X is increased by 21 is the given verbal statement. The equivalent algebraic statement is x plus 21. 7 is taken away from a is the verbal statement. A minus 7 is the algebraic statement. Twice p is the verbal statement. 2 into p is the algebraic statement. 10 divided by m. 10 divided by m. 10 by m. The product of 7 and y is divided by 2. 7y by 2 is the algebraic statement. Now we do the sums given in exercise 2.2. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Subdivision 1, the algebraic statement of f decreased by 5. Here the verbal statement is given. Now we write the algebraic statement. F minus 5 is the answer. Subdivision 2, the algebraic statement of s divided by 5 is s by 5. s by 5. Subdivision 3, the verbal statement of 2m minus 10 is 10 less 2 times m. 10 less 2 times m is the verbal statement. Subdivision 4, if A's age is n years now, 7 years ago A's age was n minus 7. Subdivision 5, if p minus 5 gives 12, then p is 17. 17 minus 5 equal to 12. Question number 2, say true or false. Subdivision 1, 10 more to 3 times c is 3c plus 13. This statement is false. 3c plus 10 is the correct statement. Subdivision 2, if the cost of 10 rice bags is t, then the cost of 1 rice bag is rupees t by 10. This statement is true. Subdivision 3, the statements x divided by 3 and 3 divided by x are the same. It is a false statement. Both the statements are not equal. Question number 4, the product of q and 20 is 20q. This is true. Statement. Question number 5, 7 less to 7 times y is 7 minus 7y. It is a false statement. but the correct statement is 7y minus 7. Question number 3. Express the following verbal statement to algebraic statement. Subdivision 1. T is added to 100. The equivalent algebraic statement is T plus 100. Subdivision 2. 4 times Q is equal to 4 into Q or 4Q. Subdivision 3. 8 reduced by Y. The algebraic statement is 8 minus Y. Subdivision 4. 56 added to 2 times X is equal to 56 plus 2x. Subdivision 5. 4 less to 9 times of y equal to 9y minus 4. Students, I hope you have understood the conversion of verbal to algebraic statement and algebraic statement to verbal statement and the sums given in exercise 2.2. Thank you.